So I guess I'll start this conversation with a simple hello, right? Just a greeting between what is perceived as some strangers separated through time and space.
Wonder how they can be so asleep.
And there are things that we can do to help ourselves.
Wonder how they can be so asleep.
And I'll get into why I'm gonna jump right into that. I feel that there is a great many people who are in the process of shutting down some of the ego. Their ego is down right in front of us. And like Eckhart Tolle has said, they're somewhere in a no man's land, in the place between that they know that the regular constructs of society are not real. Or at the very least, there's something strange about just everything and everyone, right? So we are embarking in a deep search for who we are on the inside, who we want to be, in the process trying to forget who we were told to be. We have a hard time following some of the rules of society. And some of them, we find them just quite absurd. Some days we wake up and we get a social media reminder of years past. And we ask ourselves, how can we even have been so, quote, asleep, close quote, in comparison to where we're at now, right? And at times we look at other people and almost look down upon them and
wonder how they can be so asleep. And then I forget that every moment is precious. That every second is golden. That everything is connected. That we're all love. With everything out there, right? With all the information out there and all the obvious mistreatment of animals and drinking of poison. And so we look at that and we wonder how we ever lived in that society, and we wonder how some of the people that we love can still be there, living in that society themselves, that's fully asleep, not even noticing, right? And then here we are, just like, man, what do I do? I'd rather stay inside the house. Some of us have actually had a better time since COVID-19 since we were forced indoors and inward, right? Indoors and inward. That's pretty funny. We've all had a much better time. So we, getting back to it, I had left for a moment. To be honest, sometimes these things just go wherever they want. Wherever they want. But we were talking about what happens in the road, right? Once you stumbled your way upon the way. Okay, I remember what I was talking about. So a lot of us are doing much better since COVID, right? A lot of us who has started the process, right, of waking up and shedding some of our egotistic ideals and some of the ways that ruled and governed us for the majority of our life, however long that is. It's just what it is. And maybe we hear that forever, right? It is what it is. It is. It is what it is. So here we are. In the road, right? We're on the way. We're cruising. We're manifesting. We're creating. We are remembering, right? We are remembering. And the more this happens, the more disgusted some people get with the world, right? Some are even asking, what am I doing here? Why am I in this body, right? Somebody has clearly made a mistake. I don't belong here. I don't ever want to reincarnate back on this planet. I don't like it here. I don't like it inside here. You know, sometimes people think that the process of, quote, awakening, close, quote, is this precious road, well taken care of garden in the midst of the woods, where you look at things now in a way that you never looked at them before, right? The trees look greener and more alive. Even the grass just seems to be more alive, and at times you can even swear that you see the energy, life form of it just glistering in the beautiful aura around just everything you see and everyone. Have you ever been in that state where just everything that you see and look is just beautiful? And then when you have, all you want to do is get back there. And then you get mad that you don't get back there. And you get mad that you are here. And you completely just can't wait. Or you find your life's purpose, whatever that is. The deeper or the higher the connection, the more it's in the direction of serving others, helping others, right? And in my opinion, that's one of the only ways that you could probably be non-selfish. It's by the serving of others, by looking at no matter what you do, right? No matter what you're doing, who you're doing it with. It is always a blessed occasion, a blessed moment. Eliminating all aspect of choosing one moment over the other. I must be honest with you, at times, I have a tough time being able to verbally say that something is beautiful, because automatically